Hello, I'd like to show everyone how to install Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is a program to protect computers from viruses, Trojan horses, other infections. We're going to be using the free version, which allows you to manually scan computers for infections. If you have the resources or your customer has the resources to buy Malwarebytes, it is worth purchasing. It works with Microsoft Defender and really provides some good protection. It also is available in a business version called Nebula. And as you build up your customer base, if you deploy Nebula, it gives you a dashboard as an IT professional to look at all of your customers on one dashboard and all of their computers, and you can see when they're having issues or updates didn't work right, and then you can notify them or go to their site and help protect their computers. We'll get into that in another security class. For now, I'm going to go ahead, and these are the instructions that are in our section 3 of this course. I'm going to click on this Malwarebytes link to go to the Malwarebytes instructions. As a matter of fact, in this case, I'm running a virtual machine here on the left side of the screen. I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to choose copy link. Now I'm going to go to my computer and I will paste this link. And this will be a URL that I'll provide down below. I do have a link to the instructions, and that's a link you'll want to have on your thumb drive so you can easily go to that this page from your customer's computer. If you don't use this link, it sends you to their marketing page, and there's lots of pop-ups and things that you just don't need. So let's go ahead. And you'll notice this page is very clean. There's not a lot on it, so it works well over slow connections. I'm going to click Download Malwarebytes, and I will click Save As. Then in my Downloads folder, I already created a Malwarebytes folder. I had downloaded this before, but I'm going to choose this folder to download the file, and I replaced it. Now, if you need to bring the Malwarebytes program on a thumb drive, you can. If you scroll down over here to the instructions, there is a link to the Malwarebytes program, the install file. You can download that and put it on a thumb drive and take it with you. So if for some reason you can't get to the internet with that computer because it's so infected, you can install this and start to scan and get the computer taken care of. I will go ahead and open the folder. And this is an exe file or executable file. If it was an MSI file, you just right click and say install or open. Here, I'm going to right click and run as administrator. And if you don't run as administrator, it'll prompt you to do that, and that's okay. If you were to look at the advanced options, they're pretty simple. It just gives you a choice on where you will put this on their computer. Also, it will create a desktop shortcut. And this is important for your area because you might need to install a French version or a Portuguese version. We'll stick with English, and I will go ahead and save those changes. I will click the install button. And for now, I'm going to click personal. So if you're installing this at a really small business or an individual site at their home office, you can do that. You can choose business, but that's going to cost a subscription. So let's choose personal for now. Click next, and this will go ahead and do an install. It is downloading files. Again, I'll include in another security course how to download the complete Malwarebytes program so that you don't have to download. It doesn't take long to download, but on your slow connections, it might take a little while. It is worth waiting to get this in. We are installed. We'll click on Open Malwarebytes. This will take just a minute. Here we are. And it will always come up with this activate subscription buy now. It's a premium trial. And what we will do now, if you look at the instructions over on the right, where I'm highlighting it, these are your instructions to turn off the trial. So let's go ahead and click on the gear. And we will click on the account tab. Number 4, under the license key field, you can click on the deactivate. You can see right here. I'm going to click on deactivate. It gives you a notification that tells you it will revert to the free version. You can still run scans, but you can't have the real-time protection. It will click yes, you can modify. Now we have, it'll tell you also threat detection is turned off. I'm going to close this window for now and show you how to get to that same place in case the Malwarebytes program doesn't just pop up. You can see there's a little blue M, and this has an exclamation point on it because we haven't run it yet. We will right-click on this and choose Open Malwarebytes. And we will give this just a minute to come up. Here it is. There is a mobile version which will run on your Android or iOS device. You can scan that and put it on. We're not going to worry about that right now. I am going to go ahead and scan. Now we'll go ahead and let this go through a scan. Let me explain what it's doing. It's checking for updates to make sure you have the latest definitions of viruses and Trojan horses and malware and all of those fun things. We're scanning memory right now. So the RAM memory or volatile memory gets scanned, startup items, scanning the registry gets done fairly quickly. Scanning the file system, this will take a while, especially if you're on an older computer with a slower hard drive. It may take it a bit of time to finish. So we will go ahead and let that finish, and we'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, we have finished scanning. It scanned 228,000 files and finished very quickly. Most of the time, it will not finish that quickly. We will go ahead and we won't click on done. Let's go ahead and click on view report. It'll just give you a short report here. If it had found malicious software, it would list it here. Let's see. Oh, advanced is telling you where the log file is, the name of the log file, and system information about the computer. These are things that you could export and save if you wanted to have those for your files. We'll go ahead and close this, and we are done. So it will come up and want to keep prompting you to start your free trial, but you just ignore that and close it. And we'll close this as well. What you'll see then when you come back to the customer site is this blue M will be here, and you can show the customer how they can right click on the M, open Malwarebytes, and then they can tell Malwarebytes to do a scan. And just tell them to ignore the subscriptions if they are not ready to pay for a subscription. That is a short video on how to use Malwarebytes and get the computer scanned and leave it on their computer so the customer can scan their computer. And you can also, when you make your monthly visits, go in and make sure their computer is scanned and is in good condition. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will talk to you again soon.